Harmony One, a price update. Today's video, we're going to look at the daily, the weekly charts. We're going to look at a couple different factors with Harmony One and why it's one of the most bullish looking coins right now. There's not many coins that are out that have put in, almost 4 consecutive all-time highs since September. So we're going to look at that today. We're also going to look at the RSI. We're going to look at the ADX and the I on Harmony One and just give you my general thoughts. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. If you want more content than what you see here on YouTube, we have a couple of Telegram links below. So I post more content in there. If you're interested, be there or be square. All right, so zoomed out. This is on the daily chart for Harmony One. Nice recoveries. Every time Harmony One goes down and kind of capitulates and you think it's going lower, it recovers faster than Usain Bolt. All right, what we want to look for is a daily close above this candle. Why? Well, 35 cents is the highest daily closing candle of all time, right? So going back to what I said earlier, right? Here's our all-time highs, right? Closing candles. There's September. There's one new all-time high, another new all-time high, another new all-time high, right? We're working on our 4th new all-time high since September. I don't know of any other coins that are doing that, right? 4 new all-time highs since September. There can't be a whole lot, right? So, let's go look at a different chart and look at the weekly where it becomes a little even more evident how bullish this is, right? There's the weekly chart. So each candle is a week. You got it. Hello. We're on the verge of closing this in 4.5 days. The highest weekly closing candle of all time, right? The highest one before this was right here. Closed it just shy of 31 cents. So right now, can we do it? Well, as long as Bitcoin doesn't, play squid games with us, I think we have a shot here. And anytime you're setting weekly all-time high closing candles, it's hard to be too bearish, right? So Harmony One tends to recover faster than most and tends to like going into price discovery more than most. So let's kind of look at the RSI on the weekly and see what we want to do. Well, now we have set back in that September all-time high, we peaked out around 72, right? Until then, we made a slightly lower high, but now you can see us coming back up here. It's highly likely on the weekly chart, if you see an RSI over this peak, right? That's a good step to reverse this downtrend because the macro scale since March of 2021, there's your peak, right? Lower high, lower high. We want to reverse this kind of, obtuse downtrend and take that out. And how you do that is simply put in a higher top than this. So if we do this, I would highly suspect that Harmony One is in price discovery on a weekly chart to be, taking out previous tops. You're probably on your way to price discovery mode. And I think Harmony One would be no exception there. So that's the weekly. Let's go look at the daily. So we're kind of reversing this trend, right? Where did we reverse this trend? You just look at the previous top. Did we take that out? Yes, right there. So December 26th, day after Christmas, we reversed that trend. If you make a newer high, a higher high, the trend is broken. So, and then when you come back down, you want to maintain that trend by maintaining a higher low. Did we do that? Yes, there's low, higher low, higher low. Perfect. Then to maintain your upwards momentum, you want to make a higher high. Did we do that? Yes. And we come back down, do we make a higher low? Yes, we're still in this uptrend. What do we want to do for Harmony One on the daily RSI to continue the uptrend? You're catching my drift here. Make a higher high, 60, put in a 69 on the RSI and continue the uptrend. All right. Stochastic Rsi, let's look at that. Well, we just got a bullish cross back to the upside. Hopefully this can continue. That's the daily. Let's zoom out a little bit more, put it on the weekly. Bigger picture, you want the more bullishness. And we got a lot of bullishness, right? Weekly Stochastic Rsi, momentum going to the upside. We would love to break up in here. Maybe that would take until the rest of the month, right? Could be another 15, 20 days or so to get up in here. If we do, we're rolling. All-time highs for sure if the Stochastic Rsi gets up here. And being at all-time highs with your stochastic cranked out, good luck. I love it. Let's see what else we got. Let's zoom back out. The ADX and the I, right? So this is a helpful indicator. And as you can see, Harmony One's been pretty much bulls in charge for a long time, since May of 2020, right? No red on top. That's a great sign. So what we want to avoid is this ADX losing strength here, right? The ADX is kind of the strength of whoever's on top. We got the bulls on top, and we want to maintain that momentum. So that's the weekly scale, still looking okay. How about the daily? Even better. Look at this. We got it, came close to hitting just a couple days ago, right? And a bounce back to the bull side, right? At the same time, we're gaining strength. The ADX decided to follow. This is what we want to see going into all-time highs for Harmony 1, looking very bigly. I like it. I love it. I want more of it. I'll try to stop that. All right, crypto fear and greed index. We're still in extreme fear, which is shocking. We want to, get a little bit higher, take out these highs, just like we talked about on the RSI. Same thing. Take out your previous highs, your previous tops. So 29 is our next target. And then, climb back up the mountain, 41, 45. If we come back down, just maintain a higher low, and we can start reversing this trend again. So we took out this high, right, 18. It's a heck of a feat. Take out 18 on the fear and greed. All right, quote of the day. Not life, but good life is to be chiefly valued. Mr. Socrates. Only a couple people will get that. All right, 4GT. Unless you've watched my other videos, I gave it away. 4GT, America's supercar. I'm self-dubbed right then. The aerodynamics is second to none. I think it competes very well with the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and people that own these in real life agree with that. So I'm not just like tooting Ford's horn there. It's a sick car. Make no mistake. And they're proud of it with their $1 million plus price tags. Okay, so that's it for the day. Meme of the day. There you go. All right. Smile. Damn it. We're going up. We're green. Green days are easier to make videos, Even though we're still only, we get all the retail left. If you're still here, just congrats. Claps. Rest of the market's watching Ariel and Little Mermaid. You're watching this video, and you're still seeing Little Mermaid.